Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Dhupia. I welcome you all at Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. Today we are going to solve the 39th question of UPSC CSE Prelims 2025 paper. We have already covered the 38 questions. Please go check that out. Now let's start with this one. Consider the following pairs. The plant is there, description is there. Cassava, ginger, Malabar spinach, mint and papaya. And this is the description that how these are the annual shrub, woody shrub, whether with herb with pseudo stem, herbaceous climber, what exactly are these? Okay, so let's start with the answer that mint and papaya. Like mint is not an annual shrub, it is a seasonal. And second is papaya, it is not woody shrub. The stem of the papaya tree is hollow. Okay, so let's take one by one. Let's take with the cassava. That's why only three, 1 2 3, only three is the right answer. Okay, because mint and papaya is not the right, not matching correctly. So cassava, cassava's scientific name is Manihot esculenta. It is native to South America. This is cassava. This is not the Indian plant. It is native to South America, cultivated primarily for its starchy tuberous roots. Cassava is the generally we get the sugar from the cassava. Okay, you have to remember that. And it is a major source of carbohydrates in tropical and subtropical region. It is also known as tapioca in parts of India. So in parts of India, this particular cassava is known as tapioca. I think you would have understood that. And this is the South American map. So whenever you solve any questions, especially related to geography, you should have the maps anytime with you. Okay. Second is ginger. The scientific name is Gingiber officinale. It is originates from Southeast Asia, means ASEAN countries. It is a perennial herb that produces a pseudo stem. So can you see this particular ginger? So this is the leaf, and this is the like stem only. Now where is the stem? Where is the stem? This is the leaf, and this is the original fruit. So this looks like a stem, but it is not stem. That is, it's called pseudo stem. Okay, South Indian map, Southeast Asian map. Okay, and we generally use this particular ginger in our various forms of cooking and traditional medicine also. Third one is Malabar spinach. It is a soft stemmed vine that climbs up by twining around the support. Means there will be support, it will around it, surround it. Okay, it thrives in which climate? Hot, humid climates, and is valued for its edible mucilaginous leaves and stems which are rich in nutrients. Spinach, no, Malabar, our Kerala. Okay, so that is the soft stem. So herbaceous means soft stem, soft stemmed. Okay, means the stem is very soft. That is called herbaceous or herbaceous, whatever you pronounce for. And the scientific name is Bacella alba. Next come mint. The scientific name is Mentha. It is herbaceous perennial stem, not an annual shrub. That was in the option. In the front of mint, it was written annual shrub, but it is not a annual shrub. It is perennial, means seasonal. Okay, and the stems are not woody at all. Okay, this is the we all know this particular mint. Okay, next is papaya. Sarika papaya is the scientific name. It is a tropical plant that appears tree-like, but it is actually a large herb with a soft, non-woody stem. Means the stem of the papaya tree is hollow, not the hard one. Okay, it is native to Central America. These are the Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica. These are the Central American countries, and it is grown for its sweet, nutritious fruit. We have all eaten the papaya. So that is the question. Okay, I hope you like the explanation, and now you have to wait for the next one. To make sure you subscribe the channel. Okay, and keep the bell icon on for the more updates and the faster. Thank you so much, and see you in the next.